folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and today we're going to put together a spicy cheesesteak recipe that'll knock your socks off. It's been a while since I put up a video. I'm glad you folks stopped by to take a look at me put this delicious sandwich together. I really appreciate it. I'm excited to be back in the kitchen. So without any further ado, let's get this thing rolling. Always cut your sandwiches at an angle, folks. I tried one that was cut just straight across. It just didn't taste right. So that's just a pro tip for you. 'Tis done. This is the spicy cheesesteak that you've all been wanting to probably give a try after we put this together. It's really quite good. So let's give it a bite. Wow, not that spicy, but it really, those jalapenos really kicked this sandwich up a lot. Subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Give it a big thumbs up if you like what you saw today. I welcome my followers back. I just want to say thanks for stopping by and enjoying this recipe. And as always, bon appetit.